What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I will be tearing down the SR20 that I just pulled out of the Silvia. I still got to move everything out of the way and take the trans off and everything else. So I'm going to start marking everything, labeling everything, so we know from going back together it's going to be easy. I still got to tear everything off it, the trans, wiring harness, everything's still on there. So I'm going to be doing that today for you, and pretty much we're going to start seeing some of the damage and see what we can find out, if there's any damage or not, or if it's all just top end that has a little bit of surface rust that I saw. We'll find out. I'm going to put the GoPro on a head mount, so you're going to be getting the footage of the time lapse through what I see pretty much, or close to it, and maybe it'll be a better view of the time lapse so you can see what I'm doing, even though it's sped up. So we'll see how that goes. Still have everything on it, still how it was. So yeah, I have the car completely back on the ground, and for the most part cleaned up under here. I'm going to just take this all apart and we're going to see what we can find and keep everything organized. That's the key. So let's get to it. I got my baggies for labeling, a paint marker somewhere. I don't even know. I'll find it. It's over there, I think. We're going to get in here.
Hey, it didn't look anything.
The transmission fluid already fucking lost it all.
Okay, see aftermarket clutch?
I don't think that's any good.
Definitely not. Yeah. Hell yeah, what's that? Something
the
throttle bearing.
You want to grab that? Yeah.
Hold on, pants over here. You want the flashlight?
If you want it. Can you see it?
Yeah, I mean, but it's still dark either way.
So this is the throttle bearing. I think that was in due for replacement.
Hell yeah. That probably sounded nasty driving.
Stuck on the dowel.
Alright. Damn.
The dowel came out. That's nice.
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely got some
somewhere.
Some hot spots.
Yep.
I mean, yeah, it's getting close to the rivets.
Yeah.
I mean, he's a little bit of life left, but not much.
Is it worth resurfacing?
Yo, look at them motherfuckers!
What?
The motherfucking spiders!
Yeah, bro, I'm done. Bye.
No, yeah, don't leave.
Fuck this.
Just be like, yeah!
I had a feeling there was gonna be spiders.
That's the magic. You don't actually touch your eye. You just try and get the tip and go to the side of your quarters, and then you can just make it away.
Really?
That's the truth, dog. Look, it's gone. It's fucking gone. I'm great.
I believe you.
Look, it's not even twitching my eye no more. I'm not blinking.
Alright, that's
Boom.
fine.
That's the secret. Motherfucking secret. People just don't know. Remember, y'all, you get something in your eye, don't go start rubbing it. Don't start to go fucking fuck shit. My shit is all fucked up. Nah. You want to open your eyelid up, and you want to look kind of down a little bit or up, depending on where that shit is. And you want to kind of push it up toward the center, and then you want to close your eye, and then it'll kind of push it up in the middle. Let your eye tear up for a second. Get that water on there. You feel me? It's gonna brush to the corners. Boom. Object to the side. Once it's on the corner, just go or boom. Problem solved.
True that.
Don't panic. Like Drew over there in the fucking ocean.
Nah, yo, chill, B.
Oh, I got all the head bolts out. Everything's all assembled. My GoPro died, so I didn't get the rest of the actual disassembly. But I have all that set up there. I'm just gonna tap a couple of sides and hopefully it just pops off. I have a big wiener. Fucking hot, dirty butt sex and all this anal sex is about to happen.
Dude, that's why you only got 23 followers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Very nice.
Oh yeah. It don't even look bad.
A little bit of water,
A
but
little fucking hone will clean that right up.
fucking A, I got a hone in my toolbox.
Yeah.
Dude, we don't even need a machine shop.
No.
Dude, let's just get a yellow cookie disc,
That's
slap
all
your
there
head
is,
gasket
them little
on.
4 pistons.
Yeah, that's it. Dude, I rebuild these in the car, like.
It'll clean up.
It's got that OEM gasket. It came right off too.
You got a hammer?
Damn, bro.
This isn't my garage. Like if this was my
No,
garage.
I'm talking about that fucking door. You smacked that door on the wall. I don't care about the fucking hammer.
Well, that's what you guys been telling me about this whole time. You asking for shit. Oh, you're asking for too much. And then that one time you're saying something about the wall. You motherfucker.
No, I would say something about the hammer.
Tracy over here getting mad as shit. Since we're gonna be sliding this thing once in a while, I'm throwing in some solid diff mounts. Not diff mounts, solid subframe bushings. So, just like my other 240, I got the whole subframe down, and now I just gotta roll it out tomorrow, and then I'm gonna start tearing the bushings out, putting that back in, clean it up. But I'm not going to be painting this one. This one I'm just going to clean up, maybe spray some black over the rust spots. Just clean it up real fast and then throw it back in there. Then put it back on the ground. The steering, I'm going to do the steering bushing right here for the steering column. I want to replace that. I have the trans mount and I also have the engine mounts put in. So that's going to obviously be done when I put the engine back in. So after everything's said and done and we get the stuff back from the machine shop. So guys, I decided to go with the monster truck for the 240. What do you guys think? And then in the meantime, the dash is coming out. Because we need to situate this. So I'm going to tear this whole dash apart, get it out the way, and we're going to situate what's going on with all this wiring, because you know, wiring is fun. I have a love-hate relationship with wiring. I like it, but I hate it at the same goddamn time. But I'm gonna get into this. I mean, I guess I can appreciate the fact They did go for the full swap, as in they went for air conditioning. They had to make a kind of a custom setup for that, so it looks, to make this airbox work. But they definitely went for the full setup. I mean, definitely isn't the best welds. I'm going to take it to the person that had this before, or whoever set this up like a long time ago. I'm going to assume they didn't have somebody to weld it for them, so they just kind of did it themselves. And I mean, that would kind of explain these pretty shitty welds. Pretty shitty, but I mean, who knows how long they've actually been like this, so I guess they kind of been holding, but you can kind of see that they are pretty shatty. But like, they even had this welded in, and didn't seem to hold too long. So yeah, this is the nice bundle of mess. Let me see. So yeah, look at this shit. That's a damn narrow band, so I'm gonna have to order a wide band. This is just wired in to the, I guess, the regular O2 sensor. But yeah, it has the whole airbox, blower assembly and all. It was even dynamited, it looked like. So yeah, I like that. That's tough. Just, yeah, that's tough. Pretty much at this point, I'm just gonna have to say this car is just gonna get gutted. I think I'm gonna have to just go through and simplify all the wiring and figure out where I'm gonna go with this. But I have to get the engine to the machine shop, get that all situated so we can rebuild that. And then I get these bushings back in here. I'll get them in because I didn't bring anything really home to get them out, so I'm gonna burn them out tomorrow. And then just hopefully I can get the center parts out and just hit the damn outer race or bearing, whatever you want to call it, but the outer portion of the bushing itself, tap that in until it kind of creases itself, and then just push it out. Once I get that in, I'll have the rear suspension back up and the whole subframe. This will be completely stripped out. I'm more than likely just going to tear the whole aircon system out and so on, and really evaluate the harness situation, because there's a bunch of stuff just cut in, spliced in, and who knows what. I'll probably reutilize the top half of the dash. I mean, you can't see it, but I'll probably reutilize the top half of the dash and completely simplify everything, wire everything up as you needed, just do just a couple fuses and switches, and then call it a day. I'm gonna end it off here. I don't know what all I'm actually going to get into this video because I have a lot of footage from a couple other things. So we'll end it off here. I appreciate you guys watching, and thanks again. Comment, like, subscribe. See you next time.